Everyone just quietly go back into your cell and lock the door behind you, okay? Please?
I'm gonna gut you, spider!
Nobody's putting me down.
You're letting him win! Eat this! Eat them! Right to freaking
Okay, now I'm just showing off.
You got a death wish? I can help with that!
That doesn't sound good. Oh, hi, Rhino!
Hope you like surprise, spider!
Surprise! What is he talking about?
Unexpected power surge detected. Incident response team required.
Hey, what's your status?
Me? Just trapped in a prison with every criminal I put away.
This is too good to be true.
Scorpion, can you hold on a minute? I was in the middle of a phone call and it was business.
Lost you for a second there. You okay?
Not really. Electro, Rhino, and now Scorpion are all on the loose. What's going on in the rest of the prison?
Camera system's almost up. I'll give you a sit rep soon.
Okay, I'll keep tracking Electro.
Not going back, you freaking acrobat!
Phew.
Power failure in cell block A. Power failure in cell block A.
Whoa! Come on, Spider-Man! I thought this was a chase!
Gotta stop this guy.
Can't stop me! But I'm flattered that you still try!
You tell me who you're working for, I'll go easy on you. Nobody ever takes me up on that offer. Gotcha. Vulture!
Long time no see! We're going to have so much fun!
Sorry, no time to talk.
Still with me, huh?
Okay, I got the security cameras back online.
How's it look?
Well, it looks like the entire population of the raft has escaped. Including Martin Lee. That makes 5 of your worst enemies that are now on the loose.
For a second there, I thought you were serious.
I am serious. I have to go. Some of them are heading into the city.
This is nuts.
Keep chasing! Party's almost over!
Electro, stop!
How do you like my new suit?
Dashing. Where'd you get it?
It's an exclusive club. Remember, he said not to kill him.
Good idea. In fact, we don't have to do this at all if you don't want to.
We definitely want now!
First and final warning. Stay out of our way.
Each of you has a job to do. Your debts will be repaid when we're done. Go!
There he is!
All these years. All these lies. It's over, Norman. Time to give them the truth.
Special report on the bioterror attack. As of this hour, the number of infected civilians is approaching half a million.
Fine.
There is still
Can
no
you,
update from the NTC
can you
on
pass
the
us
timetable
out for me?
an
Sure.
answer, but they are working around the clock on a cure for this deadly disease. The citywide quarantine is being heavily enforced by Sable International, who maintain tight security over all transit points. Throughout the city, police and Sable agents continue to battle with Rikers and Raft escapees. Meanwhile, Mayor Osborn has gone on record blaming Spider-Man for the prison break and citywide sickness, and branding him a fugitive. But he has yet to provide evidence. And many believe the mayor is just deflecting blame, since an exclusive report by the Bugle revealed that this disease originated in a secret, unregulated Oscorp laboratory here in Manhattan. Mayor Osborn insists that Oscorp
Turn
is
it
working
off.
with the NDC on an anti-serum, but has not provided any further evidence to support this claim.
Dr. Octavius. Why? How did I let this happen?
Just got a call from the hospital. They said you went AWOL.
I need to get back to work.
The doctor said you still have 14 broken bones.
Which means I have 192 non-broken ones. Thanks for taking care of me, by the way.
The hard part was keeping you hidden from Sable. They've branded you a priority target, you know.
I humbly accept the honor. What is happening to our city, Yuri?
I don't know. Feels like the end of the world. Maybe it is.
I'm here to help.
Good. There's gangs of escaped prisoners banding together and taking over entire city blocks. Looting, strong-arming local residents, you name it.
I'll take care of them. What else you got?
The mayor told Silver Sable to do whatever it takes to find Lee and Octavius. So she's just rounding people up indiscriminately, holding them captive in bases around the city. I've even heard rumors of enhanced interrogation tactics.
You mean torture? Don't worry, I'm on it. This is our city, Yuri. It's time we take it back.
Great. My men are tracking the supervillains. I'll update you when we make progress. For now, do your best to stabilize the city.
I hope you've all learned something here, but I know better.
This is Control. Need a sit rep for Corlear's Hook. ACP is 5x5. Detaining all suspicious persons.
Might have
Sleep it off.
Spider-Man sighting confirmed.
All units.
We got a man down!
Seafood supplies are being raided. Nearest units.
Peter, I've been trying to reach you all day.
You guys gotta know you deserve that,
The
right?
prison break turned the city upside down overnight.
I'm fine, May. Staying safe. I'm more worried about you.
Oh no, don't you do that. Feast is the safest place in the city right now. Our sister locations uptown, not so much. But we're safe and secure down here.
Let's hope it stays that way. I'll stop by when I can, May. Love you.
You too, Peter.
There are sick people counting on that food to survive. Can I sit at the cool kids table? city needs those supplies. Glad I was here to help.
Good mensch, Spider-Man.
1043. Escape prisoners have seized control of a civilian bus.
Spider-Man, the Raft MVPs are back on the grid, laying siege to our police precincts. My men need your help. Now. Get to a vantage point in Midtown and I'll explain.
On my way. Is it Octavius?
No, 2 of his flunkies. Still searching for the doctor. I have to be honest. That one scares me. Might be the smartest supervillain I've ever encountered.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Hold tight, Captain.
Any of you cops cross that line, a hostage gets a bullet!
We're staying right here, pal. Just tell us what you want.
We want off of this damn island! Get us a boat or a bus or a chopper, something!
We can't do that. Whole city's quarantined. You know that.
Don't tell me can't, man!
Hey, does this bus go by the Statue of Liberty?
Get it off!
Devil's breath is making everyone desperate to escape the city.
Mom, the city's flying off the rails. Sure hope Spider-Man can fix things.
Ground teams, this is Control. What's the situation in the financial district?
Sorry about that.
ATC Foxtrot reporting. In pursuit of escaped prisoners.
Willing to make you a deal.
City under quarantine? Super Psycho's running wild? What I was just thinking we were missing is a high-speed chase with indiscriminate gunfire.
Prisoners are down. Engaging priority target.
Take cover! Heavy ordnance. Stop resisting! We need more agents!
Crazy violent joyride officially stopped. Score. Apparently grand larceny is one of the food groups.
He's winning!
clone myself.
Thanks, big guy. Showing them what's what, Spider-Man.
Sable team stationed in
Sable
Trinity.
agents!
What's your
Just
status?
who I didn't want to see!
We have detained an unauthorized gathering of fellows. Proceeding to question and arrest as needed. Stay on him.
All done. That makes it, what, 100 counts of assaulting a Sable agent? Hey, if you want to go back to jail that bad, how can I refuse?
We lost one! Never going back to prison!
Maybe you can scare some kids straight by telling them how miserable you are right now. So is attacking me part of an insanity defense, or what? Nice thing about staying in the jumpsuits, you don't have to change clothes. Hey, geniuses! I hadn't even seen you till you started causing trouble!
Be advised, escape prisoners have started a riot. Location is Seaport. Please copy.
That's smart. Just go right back to what got you tossed in jail. Hey, making the license plate doesn't mean you own the car.
Get back! Never going back to luck!
Definitely the worst gang of ruffians I've dealt with in the last 30 minutes.
Sable team stationed in Trinity. What's your status? Over. Control, APC.
Sable agents! Just who I didn't want to see. Oh, they attacked me, but of course, I'm the criminal here. to overreact, but I'm starting to take this personally.
This is Sable Control, requesting sitrep on our position in C4.
Armored patrol on the move. Delta priority target.
All units, officers are taking sniper fire.
Giant smash!
Look, I'm busy, but I'm never too busy to lay the smackdown on hardened criminals.
Just need one shot!
These guys are like potato chips. You can't beat just one.
All units, 1043, police vehicle is under extreme duress. Local officers,
Hear me out.
urged on
When you're out of prison, maybe ease up on the prison riots.
I'm gonna blow you to pieces!
Great news. You all won an island vacation. Rikers Island. I gotta shut this convoy down. Spoiler! This joyride ends right back at Rikers!
You wanna get shot? Run over!
Yeah. And that's why I never bothered to get my license. Well, that and the web swinging.
Keep him on the ground! Found that one!
The only way you guys can be less welcome is if you were collecting student loan payments.
Stop resisting!
I hope you've all learned something here, but I know better.
Sable ground team, need a status report from Upper Chinatown.
Armored patrol reporting in. No sign of the target.
Sable agent! Just who I didn't want to see!
Tango is active!
Can't leave Yuri hanging. She needs my help.
Moving in!
Literally didn't see that coming. This is not how you protect Forrester!
Get behind him! Look out! Clear!
Control. Is rounding up civilians her idea? Or Norman's?
All units, a food supply station is being raided by raft escapees. Officers near Gramercy, please report.
Can I sit at the cool kids table? City needs those supplies. Glad I was here to help. Observation post. Should make my day a little easier.
This is Sable Control. Need a status update on Gramercy.
Traffic control established. Checking all suspicious persons.
Sable agents are going too far.
Control. Status. Nothing to report. Destination.
How the hell do you care?
Come here, tough guy. Shut up. Come here. Destination. Now.
Sorry, forgot my ID. I thought I'd prove who I am by kicking your butts.
Clear to engage? Affirmative.
Find a way to get Sable out of New York permanently.
I'm telling you, Spider-Man's
Didn't I put some of you guys away 8 years ago? Man, I feel old. guys are like potato chips. You can't beat just one.
All units, unknown assailants are firing on police from elevated positions. Officers in Murray Hill, stand by for further instruction.
Okay, Captain, got eyes on. Fill me in.
Rhino's assaulting the Upper West Precinct. Electro's at the Upper East. We need you to turn the tide. Head to either. They're both equally screwed.
Peter, are you available? We need help at Feast's sister's side of town.
The Veterans Center in Harlem. What's wrong?
Men from Rikers are demanding food and supplies. The staff are barricaded inside, but they need help. Miles and I are headed there to evacuate the staff.
Don't do anything until I get there, May. I'll meet you in Harlem. May sounds exhausted. I really hope she isn't sick. We need to help Yuri, then get to Harlem. It's like herding cats. Cats with felony convictions.
Officers, be advised. Escaped prisoners are stealing food supplies. All units be advised. Escaped prisoners have started a riot. Incident is active near Times Square. Proceed with caution.
Spider-Man!
Great campfire! I've got a scary story. It's about going back to jail. Escaped prisoners on motorcycles. Cheesy road movie or my life? Why not both? Never understood people whose idea of fun is setting buildings on fire. Literally stealing food from hungry mouths. Even for felons, that's on the nose. Ooh, can I sit at the cool kids table? Why don't I have reinforcements? Crime up the wazoo right now. Wish I could clone myself.
All units, unknown assailants are firing on police from elevated positions. Any officers near Midtown North, please copy.
Hi! I'm your parole officer. You're doing it wrong. Gonna be honest, not loving the whole convicts with...
My men are sheltering civilians at the Upper West Side precinct, but Rhino and a group of escaped convicts are laying siege to the building.
I'm nearly there. Seeing an ominous red glow on the horizon.
That would be Rhino's handiwork. Hurry, the building won't survive much more structural damage.
Attention units, escaped prisoners have started a riot. Reported location is near Lincoln. Over.
escaped prisoners. Let's see what I can do about the escape part. Oh man, I forgot the s'mores! Hate seeing a city like this. Gotta find some way to get things under control. Looks like those inmates have hostages. Gotta be careful.
Spider-Man! Give him the private guy!
Food fight! See? Because it's a fight over food! Never mind. Sable reinforcements? Why don't I have reinforcements? Escaped cons stealing food from the needy. Talk about eroding your faith in humanity.
All units, armed hostiles are assaulting a police van. Requesting officers on scene in Bloomingdale. All units, be advised. Snipers are firing on officers. Location is Firehouse on the west side.
An ambush? For me? Aw, you shouldn't have! Gonna be honest, loving the whole convicts with heavy weapons thing.
officer presence needed to subdue a riot. Please proceed to Columbia.
Yuri, Rhino's on the move, but former guests of Rikers are laying into your police barricades. I'm gonna even the odds.
Do it. If those barricades fall, the people inside are done for.
Never seen Rhino walk away from a fight like this. He must be working on orders from Dr. Octavius, making quick hit and runs on the city's emergency response teams.
Spider-Man! Up top! Convicts are launching RPGs! They'll bring down the building!
Not gonna let that happen. I'm on it. One roof clear.
Deal with Spider-Man fast! We gotta bring this building down!
Priority target acquired. Proceeding to pacify.
There are easier ways to ask for an autograph. Jetpacks. Who thought it was a good idea to give these guys jetpacks? Guys, we're on the same team. At least wait to attack me till after we take out the convicts.
All lawbreakers will be pacified.
Pacified? Anyone else feeling very 1984 right now? Oh, just me? Come on, anybody?
Starting right here! Nice to see you, Spider! How about some payback for putting me away?
That's it for Sable's airborne commandos. Now to mop up the rest of the Rikers escapees. Yuri, precinct is secure. And I just found out what it means to be Sable's priority target. Not fun.
That'll teach you to piss off international mercenaries.
Guess so. I'm headed across the park to deal with Electro. Call you when I'm there.
Great, I'll let my men know to expect you.
Miles left a voice